lies the role of Anamika. The other associated characters are played by Pranita Soni, Swajal Mishra, Devansh Singh Tomar and Rusda. The play is coordinated by Partho Protem Sarkar Sir and Pooja Ma'am. तो मीठी मीठी तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए हमारे अगली परफॉर्मेंस का।
अभिलाषा एक बहुत ही सुंदर और प्यारी लड़की थी। दुर्भाग्यवश वह एक गरीब क्लर्क के परिवार में जन्मी थी। एक रात खाना खाते समय
I wish I could go for dainty dinners with shining silverware on the table and delicious dinners served on marbles.
Have patience, Abhilasha. Time will come and we may be rich. Ah, how beautiful the dish smells. This is truly the best.
Don't try to flatter me. I'm tired of your compliments.
Am I such a disappointment to you, my dear?
No, dear, not at all. I've married you for love. Let us have our food now.
Oh, I almost forgot, my dear. There is something for you.
The Ministry of Public Instruction and Mrs. Sanjeev Solanki request the honor of Mr. and Mrs. Shegar's company at the Palace of the Ministry on January 18th, Monday evening at the dinner party. What do you want me to do with that? What I am to put on?
But my dear, I thought you would be glad. This is a private party. Not everyone gets chance of being invited. You would wear the red dress, you go to the theatre and
अभिलाषा के पास ना तो महंगे कपड़े थे और ना ही जेवर जिसे पहनकर वो आलीशान पार्टीज और बॉल्स में जा सके।
What's the matter?
I just don't have a good dress for this party, so I cannot attend it.
How much would a suitable dress cost?
I don't know exactly, but I think I could manage it with 4,000 rupees.
Alright, my dear. I was saving some money to treat myself to a little shooting in a countryside next summer. Well, I will give you the money. Get yourself a dress of your choice.
जैसे जैसे पार्टी के दिन करीब आ रहे थे वैसे वैसे अभिलाषा निराश और उदास होती जा रही थी।
Shekhar, look at me. How do I look?
Absolutely stunning as always. But I don't understand why are you so sad?
I don't have any jewels to put on. It is so embarrassing.
I have an idea. Why don't you go and ask your friend Anamika to lend you some jewels for a day? She is very rich. She must having a lot of jewelry.
That's a great idea. I will meet her tomorrow itself.
अभिलाषा जाकर अपने बचपन की दोस्त अनामिका से मिलती है। अगले दिन
Hello, Namika. Hey, Abhi. Please come inside. Have a seat. You won't believe how excited I've been from the moment I was told that you are coming to meet me. Actually, Annie, I need some help from you. Do not keep your words to yourself. Just let me know. What can I do for you? I have been invited to attend a dinner party with my husband by the education minister at his bungalow tomorrow. But I do not have any jewelry to put on myself. Do not worry at all. Just give me a few minutes. I'll be back soon. What a beautiful house she has. Choose my my dear, take whatever you want.
Can I take this?
Yes, certainly.
I shall return it soon after the ball. Thank you so much.
Anything for you, my dear.
पार्टी के दिन अभिलाषा सबसे सुंदर दिख रही थी, सभी महिलाओं में सबसे आकर्षक।
Ma'am, you look gorgeous.
Hey, you look pretty. How beautiful your dress is.
मैं पूरी तरह से पार्टी को एंजॉय कर रही थी। पूरी रात नाच गाने और अन्य कार्यक्रम को करते हुए पार्टी सुबह 4 बजे समाप्त होती है। सभी गेस्ट एक एक करके जाने लगते हैं।
I hope you enjoyed the party to the fullest extent. Take this, you will catch cold outside. Let me go and fetch a cab.
Goodbye, young lady. Hope to see you again.
Thank you.
Come, my dear, the cab has arrived. Is everything okay?
I have lost Anamika's necklace.
What? How?
I'm pretty sure I had it on. I had not heard it fall.
Let me go inside and see if I can find it.
शिखर नेकलेस की तलाश में जाता है पर खाली हाथ वापस आता है। इसी बीच अभिलाषा भी उस नेकलेस को अपने कपड़ों एवं आसपास की जगह में तलाशती है।
What are you searching for, ma'am?
Have you seen a diamond necklace?
I am sorry, ma'am. I have not seen any.
Oh God, what am I to do now?
Excuse me, madam. I have been waiting for a long time on the road. If you don't need my service right now, kindly release me.
I am sorry. I don't think I can avail of the services right now. So you may go. I think I will be late.
No, I am sorry. I have found nothing. I think you need to write to your friend and tell her that you lost the necklace.
That's absurd.
Just tell her that you need some time. Assure her that we will return it very soon.
We simply have no other choice.
दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ ने एक हीरे का सेट खरीदा जिसके लिए उसे बहुत सारा कर्जा लेना पड़ा, जिसे चुकाने में उसे 5 साल लग गए। अभिलाषा का जीवन तितर बितर हो गया। वो बिखर गई, यहाँ तक कि अपने पति का कर्जा चुकाने में मदद करने के लिए उसने अपना घर बेच दिया और एक अति साधारण जीवन गुजारने लगी।
I have inherited half the amount. What about the rest? How are we to manage it?
I will borrow it from my associates.
अपनी सारी कर्ज चुकाने के बाद वो दोनों कुछ सुकून का समय बिताने पार्क में जाकर बैठते हैं। वहीं कई सालों बाद अनामिका की मुलाकात अभिलाषा से होती है।
Today is the day all our debts are paid.
Thank you, Shekhar, for staying with me till then.
Let's go and take a walk first.
Shekhar, can you see Anamika over there? Hello, Anamika.
I am sorry. You must have made a mistake. I cannot recognize you.
I am Abhi, your schoolmate.
Abhi, what has happened to you?
I have lost your necklace.
But you have already returned it.
We borrowed money to buy an original replacement. We had to work for ages to pay our debts. It was not that easy for us.
Do you mean to say that you have bought an original diamond necklace to replace mine?
Have you not noticed it? I knew. I have ultimately found the perfect matching design.
Oh, my friend, my heart ached. The necklace I lent you was worthless. Every single diamond was fake.